That's Samsung Smart Switch, and it's probably the better tool for backing up your data, also restoring your data, and why not also downgrade. In my case, guys, I was running One UI 6 Beta 1. I was able to use Smart Switch and downgrade my phone to One UI 5.1 July update. Then, you know, the story had to change my CSC to THL to be able to get to the latest August update. But I want to show you in this video how you can use Smart Switch and what you can do with it. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to download it if you have a Windows PC. Smart Switch here, I'm gonna put the link down below inside the video description. You also need to install Smart Switch on your Samsung phone. The first time you launch it, this is going to be the welcoming screen. So connect your phone, you're gonna see that your phone is connected. Basically, guys, you have these major two options: the backup and then the restore. If the tool identifies a software that you can use and go back to it, you're gonna get also a downgrade button. I'm gonna show this later in the video, so make sure to watch the full video. And now I'm gonna show you guys what the options are. When you go to backup your items, basically you have these 10 options. So you can backup your call and contacts, even choose the form and the format. Then you can go and select your messages, all the messages, last 2 years, last 12 months, so plenty of options, or you can also use the last 30 days. Then you can select also the applications to be backed up, which is actually a very heavy duty task for me. I'm running hundreds of applications due to my heavy use, and of course all the tests I have. You can go and you can select application by application. In my case, guys, I performed a full backup on my S23 Ultra. Then I downgraded and later I restored almost everything. So see here, guys, you can go potentially and backup even things like 100 operation, all the modules from Good Luck. So it's just you selecting everything that you want to get. Also very important, guys, the Galaxy wearable. In my case, I'm using the Samsung Buds Pro, but also the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Also all the plugins, you can back them up. The home screen, which is very important, not only the layout but also all the widgets that you have, and of course then the settings. So you have the phone settings, you have the app settings, connections, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you connect to your car or other devices like headphones and whatever, and of course customization service. Now the moment you press backup, guys, the tool is going to back up your phone, and eventually you're going to end up with a folder. This here is my folder. I just want to show you guys. All right, it's really almost 300 gigabytes. Inside the folder you're going to be able to find almost everything. So all the apps, you can see them here, the call log, everything, guys, the camera, everything is set up. But what is something very important, guys, if you want to make sure that all your photos are there, they will be there. When you go inside the photo, and then the DSIM, guys, gonna go inside the camera, so everything is going to be here. All your downloads, pretty much everything, the playlist, you can just see here: quick panel, quick start, register, ringtones, shortcuts, smart assistant, wallpaper settings. It's pretty much a full backup of your phone. That good is Smart Switch. Now I'm going to show you in the second part of this video how this backup process works, the downgrade process, and then how I managed to restore everything but not my video and audio. But besides the settings, guys, images. So images and video, it's usually a lot in my device. Also audio files, guys, you can go and you can select individual audio files, and of course at the end, document and files. I really hope that you enjoy videos like this. If that's the case, don't forget to sub for this channel and make sure to watch my other videos. And now let me show you the backup, the downgrade, and then the restore. The first time you connect your device, the tool is going to search for another version of the firmware. In my case, I was running One UI 6, so here, there it is. One UI 5.1 was a downgrade for me, and you're going to get also the downgrade option. It's very important, guys, to read it through. So you have to take some measures, back up your phone, and make sure that it's not rotted, and etc. Else you're gonna have some problems. If everything is compliant, you're gonna be able to hit that downgrade button. You also need to install some of the drivers. Everything is done via the Smart Switch tool. What then the Smart Switch tool will do is download the older firmware. It will eventually reboot your phone and bring it into the so-called download mode. At that time, your phone is going to be connected to your PC in a download mode, and the Smart Switch will actually downgrade your firmware. This is brand new installation. So at this point of time, everything is going to go away. So memorize this. If you want to downgrade using Smart Switch, this is actually you performing a factory reset, and you're going to have like a brand new phone. So it's very important for you to perform the backup before doing the downgrade. So this step will take a while, but after this software downgrade, you're you're gonna get a brand new phone. The moment then you connect your phone again, of course, yep, absolutely, you'll hit the restore button. In my case, I did already this almost 300 gigabytes of a backup, so you have to navigate to your hard drive and show it. Now, of course, it's a very smart tool. It's called Smart Switch, so the tool eventually will give you your backup, and here you can select what exactly you need to restore on your phone. So select everything. In my case, you can see on purpose I missed the images and videos. They were really very big, and I decided to bring back everything else, which include all my messages, the home screen layout, all the widgets, and also very important, all my applications. Something very important, guys, you can import things like settings on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and etc., but you will not get, let's say, your logins to X or Twitter, to Facebook, so you will need to perform the setup one more time. So although you are going to restore your favorite applications, yep, this is going to be like a new install. So of course it really saves a lot of work, so it's not like 100% backup. You can probably do this as well as some other tools, right? But if you use things like Google Password Manager or even the Samsung version of it, you will be very quick in order to restore everything, right? Restoring your data may take a while. Now in my case this was not so quick, because of course I had to bring back all my applications. And also I have an advice for you. After performing the restore, make sure to go inside Play Store and see if some of these apps will need upgrading. Well, let's say you perform the restore today with some data you backed up 2 months ago, there will be most probably newer versions of these applications. But the moment you restore your data, boom, you're gonna have a phone that is downgraded, right? Or you're gonna have a phone that is upgraded, and you're gonna get, of course, a phone that is backed up and restored. So this is Samsung Smart Switch, and you can also use it to transfer data from your iPhone device, also from a Samsung to Samsung phone. And guys, you don't even need a PC. There is also the option to connect your new Samsung phone to your old Samsung phone directly with the USB-C at both ends and do perform the same step. You of course need to have the Samsung Smart Switch installed on both of your phones. Now I prefer to do the backup, of course, on my PC. I hope that you really will find this video interesting, and if you like it, then yeah, just hit the like button, guys, subscribe for the channel. Thank you so much, and see you very soon. And with that said, VST over and bye.